Alright, this is a quick video on repairing drywall for command strips that did not come off properly or ripped off the wall and tore the wallpaper. I'll give you a quick peek at what I'm talking about here. Got a spot here. Hopefully that's coming in okay. And then I got a spot over here that's tore down to the paper. Spot here, it's got some glue left on it. I do not like these command strips. My wife puts them up all over the place, which is fine because she needs to hang stuff up, but they do not hold up in my opinion. You're about 50-50 on pulling them off and then replacing them if you need to, but about half the time in my experiences they rip off the paint. I just painted this room probably 2 years ago. It still looks pretty nice. It's just our laundry room. So I'm gonna try to fix these few spots and then see how that works, which I know how to fix them. Supplies I'm using is some basic spackling compound. I think DAP makes a version of this too. This is just Ace. I kept the touch-up paint. For this room, there's about 1/4 gallon left. A couple of putty knives, sanding block, and a sponge. And the first thing I'm going to do is for this spot here, there's a little bit of glue on there. I'm going to try to clean the glue off, and then I got to patch the other spots and then go from there. That's it. Okay. I'm also going to use a little bit of this to try to get the glue off. The goal, in my opinion, is to repair these. They're not going to look perfect, but to contain the spot as small as possible, because you don't want to keep making it bigger and bigger. Glue came off this spot real good. These other two spots, it looks like I got it all. Back over here to this spot. There. All that excess, I'll just wipe that off. So that's step 2. Now we gotta let it dry. This spot here has got a little tiny bit of roughness. Little light sanding. Final prep. Don't rub too hard.
Paint 5 minutes.
smaller brush, but that's all right. This ought to work. Just gotta get a little paint on here. Probably have to hit it twice. This spot in the dark here. Let that dry and come back for a second coat. A little thick right there. Okay, there's that spot there, and I can barely see it. Looks like it was right here. This spot here is I fixed it last time. Over here, paint's still drying. Spot on the left was right in here. Spot on the right still drying. I put paint on too thick. I don't know why I did that. So I can see a little section that I probably should have filled in the mud on. If you can see that or not. This spot you can really see. So
now what I'm gonna do is hang up this bracket.
looks like I can go right here and here. This is the after spot. Little tick mark in there for my pencil. Now I'm going to hang a bracket. You alright, Phil? Here it is. Final test. Caught live on my GoPro. It's hanging up. Boom. And the Swiffer. And that, my folks, is a win. So, command strip fail. Hung a, that's a coat rack. Hook. Touched up 2 spots. You can't see where the failure was for the command strips. And then over here, cleaned that up, did the same thing. Alright, this concludes my video on how to touch up some command strip damage on your walls. It's easy to do if you kept some of the paint from the room that you're trying to fix. In my experiences, flat paint and eggshell are really easy to touch up, but once you get into your semi-gloss and gloss wall paints, you can see the spot a little bit more. So if you save that paint and follow these steps that I learned over the years, you could save yourself some time and get that fixed as a do-it-yourselfer. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe.